Good morning, constant viewer. You may be mistaken for thinking we have buggered off to France because we have blue skies, but we haven't. That island over there is Arran, and we're still in Scotland. We're actually in Ardrossan. We're going to get the ferry over to Arran today, and we're going to spend about a week there. And we have blue skies for the first time in about 3 weeks. So we're very excited. It's still cold. Well, we're in the queue for Arran for the ferry. Looking forward to exploring the island over the next 5 days before we have to head back to the mainland. So yeah, let's see how it goes. So we've been filled to the front of the queue, which is quite nice. Not a lot of headroom here for mistakes,
no,
is there?
There's not. You can see it's not a big
What does he want us?
boot.
Right behind. And we're here. Let's go. It's a little bit tight, isn't it? It's tight. Up to deck 2. So this will be a good test of the microphone because it's very blowy. And we're off to Arran. Up at the front of the boat. Look at that wee flag. Die down a little as we come into port. But yeah, it's been very blowy. This is beautiful. So we've got a little park up just through those trees. Walked across to the beach. I think we're going to enjoy Arran. It looks very nice. Well, we've driven round to the north of the island and it's a horrible, wet, miserable day, but there you go. There's our lovely truck. And this is Lochranza Castle. So we're going to go and have a wee wander round. It's obviously just a ruin, but it's a beautiful island, Arran. I have to say, if you do get a chance, get yourself over here. Despite the weather. Let's go inside and take a look around. So as you approach, nice flat level walk, we've got the Moss Road Stone Circle, which is here. Open the gate. So it's a cairn. You can see the bump in the middle there. This is the burial ground of someone very important, about 4,000 years ago.